Welcome back mga ka-Joy, and we are going to have another road trip and a short walk to the newly opened Gaisano in Azuela. It's a supermarket and we are very happy for this. Hi guys, welcome to Joy of the World. And we are back mga ka-Joy, and we are going to Azuela Cove in a while as we are going to see the newly opened Gaisano supermarket in Azuela Cove. Yes, actually it is a supermarket as well as a department store, but the one that is open right now is the supermarket, and later we are going there as we are heading towards Azuela Cove. But this road that we are currently tracking is the way from Sasa going towards Azuela Cove. Yes, so we are seeing our neighborhood. Yes mga ka-Joy, some greens in the area, and here we are at the insular village 1 and 2 at both sides. Yes, so there you go, we're almost there at the Azuela Cove, but we would like to show you how to get there because a lot of people don't know where the Azuela Cove is and they don't know how to get in there. And it is not so busy morning on a Thursday for this, and I am going to let you see where to go if heading towards Azuela Cove. Yes, we are currently at Lana area, and at the left side is already the Lanang Beach Club, and we are already very near the Azuela Cove. And Azuela Cove is one of the, or it is the venue of the Ironman 70.3 in Davao. Yes, while at the traffic light area, if we are going left, that is already the Azuela Cove. Yes, and we will just let you know how to get in there first. So there you go, that's a traffic light. So if you're going to left, that's the Azuela Cove, but we'd like to show you how to get in there. So now we are currently at the Mossad. So it is part of the JP Laurel Avenue, Lanang Park. Yes. So heading towards Azuela Cove from this area, it is also not a bit traffic. And hopefully you can enjoy this road trip as we are going towards the newly opened Gaisano supermarket in Azuela. It also has its own department store. It will be open by October according to some of their staff. So there you go, we are currently at JP Laurel Avenue at Lanang area. You will see a lot of industries in this area, some automobile, and then some hardware, some government offices like the DNR at your right, and then there are more at your left, the Lanang Business Park, and also a lot more to see in this area actually. And it is where we can also see the compound of Phoenix. But before going to the compound of Phoenix, we have here the Bonifacio Motors at your right, and there you go, you see the Go Hotels. And that is the compound of Phoenix. Yes, but the gasoline station in here is currently on rehab because this got a lightning some months ago, July. I forgot. And we are going here at this access road. This street is known as the Arroyo Street, and yes, there are a lot of trucks passing along in this area, and there are also some automobile shops in this place. So we are just seeing some of the access roads going towards the Azuela Cove, and we will be exiting at the Arcastillo Street. Yes, and you are seeing those tricycles in yellow just like the tuk-tuk, and those are the predominantly transportation along Davao district. Yes, and yellow in color, that's the color of most PUVs in the city of Davao, or the public utility vehicles, are colored yellow. Yes, so currently we are exiting Arroyo Street, and we will be now here at Arcastillo Street. Yes, so it's also the other side of JP Laurel Avenue, another access road whenever the JP Laurel is very busy. So here we go, going straight, and in a while we will be at the vicinity of Azuela Cove. So still at this area, a lot of places that will be developed in the future, and we will be going right in a while. Yes, so that we will enter Azuela Cove. So if you have seen the Caltex earlier, that's the Caltex we had seen going to JP Laurel earlier. So there is an access road at this side, but it is for the cargoes or those food deliveries for the Gaisano supermarket. But we will enter at the main entrance of Azuela Cove. Here you go. So entering Azuela Cove. There you go, mga ka-joy. And we will be greeted by the security people. Yes, the security guards are in here, mga ka-joy. Yes. And so if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe by clicking that red button and click the notification bell so that you will be updated with all of my channel activities. And yes, if it is not so much to ask, please do click the like button. Thank you very much. And currently we are now walking inside Azuela Cove, and there are a lot of shops, of food shops in here actually, and we will be entering an alley here towards the Gaisano supermarket. Yes, I'll just show you in a bit around so that you will see it's really Azuela Cove, and the marker of Azuela is right there in front of you, and the banner that says Market Azuela Cove or Gaisano Market Azuela Cove now open 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Yes, and if you are seeing right now that building, we were able to feature that few months ago here at Azuela Cove. It is still being constructed. Now it is open. Yes, and it will be completed hopefully by October. The second story will be already used hopefully by next month. So we will enter the market, and I did some grocery errands, and here I've already paid, and there you go. So open na ang Gaisano Market at Azuela. So ma'am, hi sa mo. I-invite ko na ma'am, mag-adto ka na. Ayan, so they're open. Si sir na lang, sir, invite sila sir na mag-adto na rin sa Azuela. Ay, pakadto mo rin sa Azuela, mingo pa kayo. Thank you so sa iyo sir. Ayan. And this Gaisano with market and store in the future is going to be a center again of commerce in the city of Davao. You are seeing the Enderun tent at Azuela, in which where I had my vaccination, and you are also seeing the greens here at Azuela Cove, as well as some shops of Azuela Cove. And really, you can enjoy this place in the future after the pandemic with a very, very good ambiance. Yes, and so there you go. I am done with my errands for grocery. Just a very quick grocery just to enter the supermarket and to see what's around. And really, they will have a department store by October, and hopefully to visit it on that day as well. Hopefully on my birthday, October 7th. And there you go. We are exiting right now, going back towards the car. But here at Azuela Cove, they have a bike parking area. Yes, I like this idea here. And you can really enjoy some shops and food shops in here. So there you go. Still the Gaisano Market. Now exiting towards the parking area while walking, and they have a kadiwa in here actually, mga ka-joy, and hopefully you are enjoying this. And so we are about to end our short walk and road trip, and so here's my bag, and thank you for watching. Until next time, mga ka-joy. Goodbye!